Hello happy homemakers. Today I am bringing you another collaboration. This is the Girls Can Use Power Tools Challenge and it is hosted by Natalie from Design to the Nines and Katie from Handy Mom. And I am so excited for you guys to see this. This is a project I've been wanting to do for a really long time and I'm really glad that we got to do it. I actually made the choice very last minute and I was filming and putting this together literally up till the last minute last night. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this. I will have both Design to the Nines and Handy Mom's channels linked in the description box down below. There will also be a playlist of all the other wonderful YouTubers doing this collaboration. And Natalie hosts this collab with a co-host, I believe every month, I'm not quite sure. But this is the first one since October, but she took a little break there. But I have done a few of them and I'm really excited. I plan to do every single one that she does this year because I have a lot of projects I would like to get done in my house. So anyway, I am really excited for you guys to see this. This is a little glimpse of my product. But anyway, here we go.
Time flies, close your eyes, imagine you could see everybody else's dream, what a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human after all. Nothing can make us fall apart. Whoa. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. Hear me when I say I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human after all. At the end of the day, we're only human. We're only human after all.
When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow with artists.
We're waiting for the dawn with empty bottles. You turn around when I wanna kiss. I try to reach you, but that's nothing new. I know, 'cause you turn around when I wanna kiss. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Whoa, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. If silence what you are, then please remember my kiss will not be hanging forever. Craving for your love since last November, but you turn around when I wanna talk. Oh, when you need me, time has changed. Maybe I'm the one being silent when you just wanna talk. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. You once told me you had fallen.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of those fun things. If you would like to see more videos of homemaking and how I make my home the way that I want it, and I do cleaning videos and I do cooking videos, I do day in the lives, just pretty much anything to do with homemaking. So if you guys like that kind of content, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.